Discover the ultimate comfort with our selection of the best travel pillows. Whether you're a frequent flyer or an occasional traveler, finding the right pillow can make all the difference. Explore ergonomic designs that provide neck support and promote better sleep on long journeys. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best travel pillows you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which travel equipment you'd like to see in our next videos. Presenting the Cabeau Evolution S3, acclaimed as the number 5 best travel pillow by leading authorities. Recognized by CNN, Travel Plus Leisure, and People magazine, this memory foam travel pillow is essential for both road trips and long flights, ensuring optimal comfort and support wherever you go. Engineered with exclusive patented seat straps, it secures any chair to prevent slouching and maintain spinal alignment, promoting relaxation without neck strain. As a B Corp certified product, the Evolution S3 embodies a commitment to sustainability and ethical practices. Its ergonomic design, featuring dual-density memory foam and an adjustable chin clasp, accommodates various sleeping positions, providing personalized comfort and orthopedic support recommended by professionals. Each package includes a washable pillow cover and a compressible carry bag, ideal for efficient packing. Designed with convenience in mind, the Evolution S3 is earphone friendly, keeping your audio devices securely in place during use. Whether you're traveling or at home, this travel pillow ensures unparalleled comfort and functionality. The Ostrich Pillow Go neck pillow redefines travel comfort with its premium BASF memory foam, ensuring unparalleled relaxation and neck support. Crafted for ergonomic excellence, its 360-degree design and Velcro closure guarantee customized comfort and proper alignment, alleviating post-travel neck strain effectively. Its innovative asymmetrical shape accommodates varied resting positions, adapting effortlessly to personal preferences. Ideal for frequent travelers, it compresses neatly into a compact size, retaining its memory foam integrity, and includes a travel bag for convenience. Compatible with small headphones and earbuds, it combines functionality with sustainability, featuring a washable cover for long-lasting freshness. Introducing the Buyue Travel Neck Pillow, ranked among the top 3 best travel pillows. Designed for ultimate comfort, it features a patented ergonomic shape that supports the head, neck, and chin, preventing forward head movement. Available in adult and small sizes, it accommodates various neck sizes for optimal fit. The pillow's Q-shaped design ensures 360-degree support, ideal for relieving neck strain during travel or leisurely activities at home. Unique in design, this pillow adapts to any sleeping position, enhancing restfulness on planes, cars, trains, and more. It doubles as a supportive accessory for reading or watching TV, promoting relaxation wherever you are. Adjustability is key. Maintain a comfortable upright position that eases neck muscles, enhancing overall comfort during prolonged use. Included in the travel kit are a 3D contoured sleep mask and earplugs, perfect for peaceful naps on the go. A convenient travel bag keeps the pillow clean and portable, while a built-in pocket stores the mask and earplugs when not in use. The BCOZZY neck pillow stands out as a top choice for travelers seeking optimal comfort and support. Designed with patented double support, it uniquely addresses neck pain and shoulder stiffness during upright sleep, whether on planes, in cars, or at home. Available in 2 sizes, it caters to different neck dimensions, ensuring a personalized fit. Versatility defines the BCOZZY pillow with its 3 ergonomic configurations: frontal support for chin and neck, side sleeping by folding over the shoulder, and a combined approach for varied sleeping positions. Crafted from breathable microfleece and microsuede, it promotes airflow for coolness and features hypoallergenic properties, ideal for sensitive users. Unlike traditional U-shaped pillows that constrain the neck, BCOZZY's flat back design maintains natural alignment, enhancing comfort throughout travel. Lightweight and compact, it includes a carry case and snap loop for convenient portability and storage. Moreover, its machine-washable construction ensures effortless maintenance, eliminating the inconvenience of hand washing. Experience unparalleled comfort and support with the Trtl travel pillow, acclaimed as the top choice for travelers worldwide. Engineered with a patented design, this neck pillow revolutionizes travel by offering customizable support that keeps your head and neck in an optimal upright position. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to restful sleep on long flights, where the unique internal support system ensures you wake up refreshed and pain-free. Designed for convenience, the Trtl travel pillow is remarkably lightweight at just 4.5 ounces, making it effortless to carry on your backpack or luggage without adding bulk. Unlike traditional memory foam pillows, it's also machine washable, allowing for easy maintenance and freshness for every journey. Whether you prefer to position it on your left, right, or under your chin, securing the pillow ensures a snug fit and maximum comfort throughout your travels. Elevate your travel experience with the Trtl travel pillow, the essential companion for those who value comfort, support, and quality rest on the go. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Your support means the world to me. I always look forward to reading your comments and hearing your thoughts, so be sure to drop a comment down below. Let me know what you'd like to see next on this channel.